Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with Essentials, Power and Pairing Mode. Turn your JBL on and hold its Bluetooth button until the LED flashes that signals pairing readiness. On your laptop, press Windows, type Settings, Open Devices, then Bluetooth and Other Devices. Toggle Bluetooth on if it's off. Make sure visibility is allowed. Click Add Bluetooth or Other Device immediately because the speaker's window to pair is brief. This first action links hardware. Once visible, you'll select the JBL unit to create the connection. Once the JBL appears, click it to pair and accept any pairing prompts. You might see a PIN, usually 0000 or none. After Windows confirms pairing, go to the taskbar speaker icon, right-click, choose Open Sound Settings, and under Output, select your JBL speaker so sound routes there. If you need advanced control, click Sound Control Panel, select JBL and set default. This ensures applications play through the speaker rather than laptop speakers. Make sure volume levels are up on both devices to hear audio. To finish, play music or a video to test the connection, adjust laptop and JBL volumes for clarity, and check application audio settings. If you hear dropouts or no sound, remove the device from Bluetooth list and pair it again. That often resolves handshake errors. If problems continue, update your Bluetooth driver in Device Manager or run Windows Bluetooth Troubleshooter. One key tip: interference from Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth devices can cause issues. Move closer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.